Welcome, everyone. Let's take a look at this interesting example of probability. So we're having an experiment consist of rolling two paired dice, and we're going to be adding the dots on the two sides facing up of a die, of these two dice. So each die has the number 1 on two opposite faces, and the number 2 on two opposite faces, and number 3 on two opposite faces. So there are 6 faces, and each face will have one and then 1 and then 2 2 3 3. So there's the numbers have been repeated twice. So that means our sample space is going to have the following outcome. So let's take a look at what does it look like. So instead of writing it down, I'm going to draw a table. So here's our sample space. So we can label 1 2 3 double. So 1 1 and then 1 2 and then 1 3. Or you can have another die labeled 1 2 3. So these are the only numbers we're labeling on our dice. So you can get the outcome 1 1 or 1 2 or 1 3. Or you can get the outcome 2 1, 2 2, or 2 3. Or you can get 3 1, 3 2, or 3 3. So these are the possible outcomes, which means the number of outcomes in our sample space is going to be 9. Now let's see what we're looking for. We want to find the probability of the following event, that the sum of the dice is going to be 4. All right, so how many ways, what are the outcomes that will sum to be a 4? So we know our outcomes where the sum is 4 is going to be this one, and this one. So those are the only ways we can get 4, the sum to be a 4. So we know the probability that our sum is 4. That's going to be the number of elements in this particular event. Well, we're saying there are 3 outcomes out of the total outcomes. That's 9. So that means our probability of this event is simply 1/3. So that's the probability of this particular event. I hope this makes sense. Take care.